what is our first look, Mark?
So this is a great way to really take advantage of your curls, but this look works for any hair type. And this is so simple and easy that we're even gonna have Tracy do it. So all we've done is we've prepped the curls with a coconut curl cream.
Yep.
Added a ribbon in. You can choose any ribbon you want, just add that ribbon in. And then all you do is you take a section of hair and literally, you watching, Tracy?
I'm watching.
Okay, you just twist it and just
tuck it in.
Tuck it right in to the ribbon.
Right, what fool can't do that, right?
So we're gonna have Tracy do one.
Okay, so you take this hair here.
Just one section. We'll leave one out, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead.
And I do a little
and just tuck it right in.
Right in.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to be all neat and tidy.
No, that's
so
perfect.
There you go. So the real key here is having the band.
You just put the band in.
Right, you have the accessory in, and then you just do the tuck. So do you want to tuck in the last little thing?
Actually, we just want to put in, accessorize it, just dress it up a little bit.
Okay, that's nice.
Okay, you can leave this piece out. Just add a little bit of hairspray.
Nice. Oh, no, I'll do that.
Oh, yeah, you do that. Actually, I love this.
Right?
This is great.
Why
and then
not?
A bit of shine.
Okay.
So, and you can leave it out. Just leave it like that. Let's take a look. There's
I think we did a pretty good job. Beautiful. So...
Okay, now we're going to get a little more complicated.
Can you hire me then, Mark?
A little more
Clearly I have the
here.
skills. Okay, so now this is Stacy. What are you going to do with her hair?
So this is a new technique we're using in the salon. It's all about twisting and pulling the hair, but it's so easy. Again, we just curled everything. It looks really complicated. I've done one side here already.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at this. This is how you do this one side, and you can do it at home. It's so easy. 2 sections left out on the side. No braiding necessary. You just twist them, and twist again, and then just pull it over and tuck it in.
You can see it's a light twist though, so it's not like you're going in for a super tight twist. It's very unstructured.
And then what we do is we just pull that apart.
Yeah. And did you just tuck it?
Yeah, just tucked it right in there.
Cool.
You can put a pin in, and then if you want to just dress it up a little bit for the holidays, you can put a beautiful piece in there.
Pretty. They have so many
Just
beautiful
like that.
accessories for the holidays. That's nice.
You can leave it out, which looks really beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
If you want, you can just dress it up a little bit more. We're going to get rid of this piece for now. You can take a wire with some like beautiful diamonds. These are all diamonds.
Yes, they are. They're totally real.
And because this wire will just hold together, you just twist it around the rest of the ponytail.
All the way down.
All the way down.
So really, it's like a good recipe. It's all in the prep. It's all in getting those curls in the beginning, and then what you do with it afterwards. It's actually quite easy. So you could, come to work with your hair curly, get into the washroom, get ready for the after-work party, like the office party, and they would think you went to the salon. That's pretty amazing.
So like, just twist, pull out some pieces, add a little accessory, and there you go. Beautiful.
How's she look, guys? Beautiful. Just gorgeous.